Hey guys, hope you all are doing great and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am so excited to show you guys some new contact lens that I recently come across. So they are just for Kira and this brand is new to me. So if you have interest in seeing the shade, stay tuned and keep on watching. Just for Kyra sent me 6 different shades I was able to choose. Here inside the box, I have the little package that your contact would come in. I got 6 pair here to try, and you can also use this contact lens for a year. This contact lens lasts for a year, so you can keep using them for 1 year. And here is the contact lens case where you can be able to store your contact lens after using them, so you can add solution water to it and store it inside this case. I am very excited to try them on. So let's start with the first shade. Let's try on the Moira green. Let's see how the shade looks like. We have two toys inside the contact case. So this is the tweezer. You can use the tweezer to pick up the contact lens and place it direct into this toy. So let's try it together. First, you grab the lens from the packaging with this toy. Then you place it on this other toy, just the way I place mine. Here we are. I have my mirror here already, so I will just look down to my mirror to apply the lens direct into my eyes. So pull your lower lid down a bit and look up. This is the easiest way to apply your contact lens. Super easy. I am using the same process on the other eye. Look up a bit and place it direct into your eye. That's all. Wow, this is super pretty. They feel so comfortable on my eyes and they look natural as well. Those contact lenses, they are super soft and unique. Just for Kyra is the brand of this contact lens. They look so beautiful on me. So guys, let's switch to the other shade. This is the Crystal Brown. Let's try that. Here is the Crystal Brown. I am using this opportunity to introduce high quality color contact lens from the world top manufacturers, suitable for light and dark eyes. This brand is new to me, as I said from the beginning, and I think they have the best quality contact lens. So the third shade is Aurora, and they look so wow, unbelievable. This is so pretty. I love the colors. Please use my discount code Elsie to get 20% off your purchase from Just for Kyra website, and I will be placing the link on my description list. All you need to know, go straight to my description list. I will be placing all the link over there. The fourth contact lens is Mirage. They are just from Kyra as well, and the shade is XL29 gray. They are super pretty. Wow, this is so beautiful. All the contact lenses, they are so comfortable on my eyes. They are super soft, unique, and amazing. I really appreciate Just for Kyra for the great quality contact lens. So let's switch to the fifth. The fifth is Vision. Oh my god, this Vision is wow. Wow, wow, wow. The shade is Vision. Oh, this is so pretty. This is the last shade from Just for Kyra, and the shade is Gym Gray. This Gym Gray is super pretty, and I feel nothing on my eye. Mirage color is from Just for Kyra as well, and they look so soft. It seems so natural on my eyes, and the soft contact lens. I don't know how to explain this, but this is one of the most soft contact lenses I have ever come across. Trust me guys, I really love them. They look so comfortable on my eyes. I feel nothing on my eyes. It's just like they are natural on my eyes. And I think this is my last bus stop of contact lens. I am in love with this. I am in love with those contact lenses. Trust me, they are super comfortable. Oh my goodness, I really love them. Mirage color from Just for Kaira. This is so pretty. The last thing I really need to do, I just have to place the website on the screen so that you guys can see the website and see the beautiful color they have right here. And they have a lot of promotion. So if you need some of this contact lens, please visit their website and go and take a look at the beautiful color they have on their website. And they have a lot of promotion on their website, so go and check them out. So they have more pretty color on their website. Go and patronize them. I think you will also love them as well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Please do not sleep with your contact lens. It's very dangerous to sleep with them, and make sure you take them off before going to bed. That's all for today, and keep watching the video, keep watching the video, because I am so excited. I feel so sorry to take them off of eyes.